Alright guys, so what I did is I put the 4 different colors on this piece of aluminum here. So we'll go ahead and engrave it, and we'll see if any of these are good for aluminum engraving. Alright guys, so this is what I had on there. So basically you got an image, just got a black box, you got some cutout, and then you got some fill. And these are my settings up here. So let's go look at the results. Alright guys, so here are the results. So as you can see, this was no good because it actually withheld the temperature and it ended up not getting burnt off. This one did amazing. So if you guys want to just buy a can of this, it'll do the job. This one, not so much. It just looks like it came on really thick for some reason. And then this is the cheapest. I think it was like $1. It kind of worked, but not really. It's also coming off, it looks like, very easily. So that wouldn't work. This one is also coming off. This one is also coming off. And the high temp is also coming off. So as far as leaving it on, you might have to seal it if you just want to spray engrave and then just kind of leave it that way. So also I want to quickly see if I can add some acetone here, and if I can get it to come off and see what the etching looked like. So let me pop this off real quick. Some acetone here, and let's see how it'll come off. I don't know if I can hold this or not, but let's see. So let me put this down, guys. So same order. So the one with the paint looks like it didn't etch at all, but the high temp paint actually etched it. No etching at all there. This one right here left a little bit of an etch. This one left a very faint amount. But this one actually left a nice etch there. So I might do some more testing to see if it's worth maybe bumping up the power and then just etching it. That way when you take off the paint, it'll still leave a nice little etch on there. So there's the result, guys.